Now we will go on to page 12. The new thing that we're going to learn in here is this line, the Fathah, Kasra, Dhamma. This is Dhamma, Fathah, Kasra. Or in other words, Zabr, Pesh, Zair in Urdu. Unlike earlier, when we called this an alif, and that's ba, this is no longer an alif now because it has the fatha on top. So now we read it as a, which is between a and e in English. So it's a, ba, ta, tha, ja, ha, kha, da, dha, ra, za, sa, sha, sa, da, ta, dha, a, gha, fa, qa, ka, la, ma, na, wa, ha, hamza, a, ya, and ya. What we also notice is that the letters like these ones, and I'm going to circle them. Letters like Kha, Ra, Sa, Da, Ta, Dha, Gha, and Qa. The circled ones are all full mouth. There is 7 full mouth letters beside the Ra. The reason why Ra is not included in the full mouth letters is because when Ra comes with Kasra or Zair under it, then it's not a full mouth, it is empty mouth letter. Whereas all these other circled ones, the 7 rest of them, are all full mouth letters originally. So now we say again a, ba, ta, tha, ja, ha. Now when it comes to these circled letters, you do not say kha anymore, you say kha, da, dha, ra, za, sa, sha, sa, da, ta, dha, a, gha, fa, qa, ka, la, ma, na, wa, ha, hamza, fatha, a, ya, ya. So we'll read the exercise now. Da, ra, sa. The reason why you see these letters in individual forms is that because dal and ra do not connect to the letters after them. So sin has to be in the, although in the word here it is the last letter of the word, but because Ra does not connect to the next letter, now sin has to come in the beginning shape. So it's da, ra, sa. Wa, da, a. Again we have a similar scenario here, or the same scenario where waw and dal do not connect to the letters after them, and that's why ayn has to come in the beginning shape, and it is also as a singular shape because there is no other words, no other letters after that. So it's wada'a. Abada. Kasaba. Dakhala. Balagha. Wajada. Sajada.